we've done is we've taken apart a pillow because we need to restuff a pillow. And so we put Nemo in all the pillow stuffing. And now he's attacking it. Oh, get that fuzz. You get that fuzz.
Nemo, where'd you go? Where'd Nemo go?
You get that fuzz.
Nemo. Nemo. Come here, Nemo.
He's going to attack all that fuzz. He's did all that.
Where'd Nemo go? Nemo.
He's busy.
Nemo. Where's Nemo?
He's getting all that fuzz. What about this one? Look, this one looks scary. Get it. Gotta get you. Uh-oh. Get you. Oh no.
Where'd Nemo go? Nemo. Where's Nemo? Hey, hey. Nemo. What you doing? Silly dog. Yeah.
Attack of the killer fuzz.
Nemo. What you doing, Nemo? You stuck?
Uh-oh.
Is Nemo stuck? I'm touching Nemo.
Uh-oh. The fuzz get you? Oh no.